Hey everyone, Josh C. here, real estate agent, Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, Rocky Mountain Realtors, here to see the new Lennar new home construction in North Fort Collins at the Mosaic subdivision, the Mosaic neighborhood, just off Timberline Road and right in between Vine and Mulberry Highway 14. I'm here with my assistant, Charlotte. She's gonna help us tour and show all the beautiful details of a Lennar home. You'll hear me talk about some of the features, or a lot of the features, what's a base look like, what's an upgrade look like. Before we get started, if you could do me a great big favor, I'd really appreciate it. Hit that like button, smash the subscribe button, ring the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video, and comment below questions you have, things I can help with, really just anything, what you liked, what you didn't like. I do these for you guys, and I love to put out quality content and really just information that will help everybody, just like you, Charlotte. So without further ado, let's get started on our home tour. Okay, well that's our tour, Charlotte. Built by Lennar Homes in the new Mosaic neighborhood here in North Fort Collins, just off Timberline Road, Highway 14/Mulberry Road. If you're interested in these homes, this builder, or any other homes in Fort Collins, new construction, don't shy away from new construction. It takes a little bit more time to build, yes, but in this hot market, it can be a little bit easier to get into a home and it's brand spanking new. If I can be of help, please reach out, like, comment, subscribe. I'll be posting additional videos on new home communities here in the Northern Colorado, Fort Collins, Loveland, Windsor area in the future, so be on the lookout for that. Until next time, this is Josh C., real estate agent, Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, Rocky Mountain Realtors in Fort Collins, and we'll see you next time.